There's one stock where the actions of the company don't necessarily translate to the stock. CBS, great lineup on television,
right.
Great target market of young adults, young viewers.
Trying.
But the stock has been, from 32 to 23 in a year.
Right.
What's going on here?
Okay, well, there's very little growth in CBS. They've always then said, well, listen, we're a good dividend play, and they've raised the dividend 6 times, but there's no story here. Remember, you need something to grab you other than a 4.7% yield. I've got a lot of companies that yield 4.7. We had that with Verizon the other day when it was at 34, and now it's at 30, almost at 39. If you do not provide growth, no one wants your stock. When I go through line item, primetime obviously is not offering a lot of growth. The TV number was a beat because of syndication revenues for CSI, for Everybody Loves Raymond. The radio is down big. It's down 9%. They're saying, look, don't worry about it. It's starting to turn. Outdoor ads seems to have slowed. Simon & Schuster, my publisher, doing quite badly, lacking hits. I think that CBS generates a huge amount of cash, and it doesn't really warrant being a public company. I believe that CBS, if there were, we still had private equity, I would think that Sumner would bring it private, Sumner Redstone. The company is the proof that prime time is not a great business anymore. We've been seeing that time and again. It costs too much. The advertising market is not robust. The CBS in the conference call stresses March Madness and watching it online, but the actual revenues from online are very small. This is a challenged company, and I can't think of a reason to own it other than the buyback and dividend. And if I want buyback and dividend, I will go for a company like a Parker Hannifin or a Procter, which has been buying back stock and raising dividends over and over and over again. Frankly, Farnoosh, there's not enough in the CBS story to make me want to own it.
Sometimes, Jimmy, when we see a company go private, the next generation, it goes public again.
Well,
do you think that this could be
CBS,
a resurrection
I think
story?
TV's in secular decline. I think advertising's in cyclical decline. In other words, I think when things get better, the advertising will come back. So you bring this company private, and then when the cyclical increase comes in ads, you bring it public again.
All right. Thanks so much, Jim, on a stock. CBS down from $32 to $23
Amazing.
in a year.
Moonvest's doing a good job without a lot of stuff to work with.
This is Wall Street Confidential. Please stay tuned.